Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's our topic is how to make Fiverr gig image in Canva. So first of all, you can see we are landed in Fiverr platform where freelancers sells their service to the clients. So here you can see some categories where freelancers work on. So I will go some of them and I will research on a gig, and then I will create a gig image on those categories. So I will go on writing and transition, then I will find out someone there is nothing, so I will explore more like article and blog post. Then I will find out, yeah, I already got an image here. I think this image looks really eye catchy, so I will make an image like this way. So let's dive into the Canva. So if you visit Canva first, they will ask for create an account. So if you had a mail or Gmail account, just go with through this one. I already had an existing account, so I will find out the layout here. So I will click on more and I will go on the layout option. Here is you will find out your layout, but I think I am not getting any layout with my desired measurement, so I will make it custom size. So if you don't know what is the size is really matter on Fiverr, just go and Google it, what is the Fiverr gig image size. You will find out that is 128 to 769. So I already mentioned it here, so I will just hit on the create a new design option, and then it will give me option to create a design. So I will make it simple and eye catchy. For that reason, I will go for a background image. I will type computer, and then let's see what I am getting here right now. Just click on photos and you will find out some free options here. Just come over here and paste it here, and then search for overlay, or you can take a shape from here. So I will take a shape and I will change the color into black, and then I will resize it to layout size, and I will reduce the transparency into 70, and then I will click on the log, so nothing will happen if I do something wrong in the design. Now I will write something here, so I will write SEO, and then I will choose a font which will be organized with my image. So, and also I will be minded that my design will be eye catchy for my gig, so I can override my competitors. And also the black color is not matching with our design, so I will change the design into white. It looks really nice right now, so I need to add further more text here. So I will add SEO friendly articles. So this looks really nice, and I will change the font into no star, so it looks really nice. I will change the color again. Here I may choose yellow. It looks really great. Then I will set up into here, and my SEO will be down here too. And right now I don't think it look really eye catchy, so I will add some effect on the text. So here you can see we have lots of effect. You can add shadow, you can add border, so I will choose the border one. Before at the border, I will see you that you can change light color, you can increase the intensity. It looks really awesome, but I will only use the outline option. Here I will choose the black bar, so you can see the text is like looking really amazing right now. So again I will go to the Fiverr and I will find out something new, so I can add another text which will be 100% plagiarism free. So this really looks awesome, and you can change the text into italic or something else. So I will make it something like this, and now I will make, and then I will reduce the size here, and I will paste it into the upper level, and I will change the text, and I will add a border on the text. Like click on the effect, then I will choose the background, and here I will change the color into yellow and make it more roundness. I will increase the size. No, I don't want to roundness, I will just make it this way, and I just want to change the color now it looks really nice. And here I will add some images. So for that reason I will search images of a man. So here you can see we already get suggestion in the photos box. So we need a transparent image. For transparent image we can go on Google and search man image in transparent. In here if you search this string you will find out lots of images, and you can take it from anything you want. So I think this image is transparent. Yeah, this image is transparent. So we will copy the image and we will paste it here. Once we paste it here, you can see our image come over here, and we will resize it like ours. So I resize it and I want to flip the side, so I will make it horizontal. Right now it looks really awesome. Also I want to edit it, so I will click on edit. Then I will get some options here. So I want to add shadows here, so I will click on outline option, and as you see this looks really nice. I will change the color into little bit reddish, so you can see, and I want to intensity 100%. so you can use backdrop, curved, page lift, angle, drop, anything you want. So right now you can see it looks really awesome. Also I want to something edit more elements. Also I want to add some more elements here. So for that reason I will click on elements, and then I will go to here and I will search something like typing, and you will get some this kind of elements here, writing, typewriter and keyboard, anything you want. So I want a typewriter, so right now I get some typewriter. I will add it here. I will paste it in here. So now it look really awesome. I will add something more to make it more eye-catchy, like I can add some text book here, and I will be paste it in that place, and I will make the position backward. In this way you can see our image look really professional. Also I want to add something more, like I can say I can say it would be a shape. Yeah, I am going to add a shape, and I will increase the size, and I will make the color into black. Once I make it black, I will change the position. Once I change the color, I will change the position into backward. So you can see my image has been completed, and the text is really awesome, and I can now download it as this size. Just click on download, or you can change file type, PNG, JPG, PDF print, anything you want. Just click on download. Once you click on download, it will be work on to download. Once the download completed, you can create a new gig for you, and for that reason you need to be join in Fiverr. So this is the easiest and simplest way to create a Fiverr gig in Canva. I hope so you already learned lots of things in this video, and if you found out this is a learning video for you, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for new video.